Okay, so hey everyone. So this is my so I'm Ryan Turnbull, and this is my CCP project. My patient was Tawny Reeder. Tawny is 19. She's female, Caucasian. Um, Tawny has really good oral habits. She flosses and brushes regularly, and she has a really good smile. Everything's healthy. Um, Let's see. She's good with her smile. She likes. I believe that she's confident with her teeth and her smile, and she's expressed that. Um, so she really doesn't have many concerns as far as her mouth goes. She has sealants on her premolars and molars, and she has expressed that she would like to have her sealants replaced. So that is one of her goals. Another one of her goals is she just recently had her first carry. It was diagnosed in November, very small carry, and she wants to get a composite for that carry, and that's on exclusively on tooth number 31. So I think her real motivations are just really to maintain good oral health. Is what I'm hearing from Tawny. So here, let's see. Here is and this is my PowerPoint presentation. So here's some of the background information. So she recently worked at a local restaurant, attends school full time, and has no kids. Does not drink or smoke. Eats a healthy diet. There's her vitals. So again, no real complaints. All right, let's go to the objective assignment. So she has a normal occlusion class 1. She has a grade shade, which is M1. A very slight overbite. So what I recommended for Tawny, and as part of her treatment plan, is to replace those sealants, get the Carry Fix, get a composite on it, and then I would recommend. And I took this from Teeth Talk Girl. This is she's a dental hygienist on YouTube, and she has a video specifically kind of going over what she does at nighttime, and she goes into what she does in the morning. So she brushes her teeth, she flosses. I actually like what she does too. She brushes her teeth, but then she doesn't wash her mouth out. She then goes in with floss, so that way the toothpaste can kind of, and those those really good chemicals for the teeth and the mouth can kind of get everywhere. And I believe she even does cold or hot water. I believe it's hot water, and that's to help with when she washes out to avoid tonsillitis, I believe. So I kind of liked her methods. She also does she has a tongue brush, and she also has like she switches off with electric toothbrushes morning and night. So I think that's what I would recommend because we really want to maintain Tawny's oral habits. As far as reflecting and the skills and knowledge, how the CCP has enhanced your learning experience, I would say that it kind of reiterates the fact that you need to treat your patient with care, respect, be sincere, and kind of like a family member. I mean, it's our profession that we want these people to have great smiles and them to be proud of their teeth. And not everybody are. And if we can even make them a little bit more confident and especially in their oral yeah, and with their teeth, regarding their teeth, then we're gonna make them a little happier, and we're gonna make them a little bit more confident, and that can change their life in some ways. Maybe not drastically, but every little bit counts in this world, in this life, and we're kind of playing a part. And even though it's a small part, some people they need a little bit of confidence. And every day people see your teeth for the most part, and they notice those things. And even for me, for instance, like Tawny has a really nice color, a really nice shade to her teeth. But me, I have a little bit of yellow teeth, and I'm a little bit self-confident about it. And I think about it, and every time that someone went in my mouth, as far as in class, I was like, oh gosh, I don't want you to look at my mouth or my teeth. Like I take good care, but I always haven't. So I have, and I'm getting older, so I have stains. So I definitely notice that my teeth aren't as white as I like to be, and I could be a little bit more confident in that aspect. But also I learned that Tawny is really patient, and um, so a lot of the times I was able to learn because I felt comfortable, especially with like taking impressions. Um, so that aspect, even taking vitals and radiographs was really easy, and it let me kind of relax and really focus on what I was doing. I'd also like to say that the trimming portion really killed me. I had some trouble with trimming. The pouring up at first was difficult, but as we moved forward throughout the semester, and as I kept doing it on my CCP, I really felt like I was getting it together at the end. All right, guys. I believe let's just go through this real quick. I believe that's it. All right, everyone. I hope you liked my presentation. Good luck to everybody. I'll see you in the future. Bye.